Welcome to the very unofficial travel guide. I'm James, and today we're diving into the ultimate American adventure. Planning a road trip across the USA. Imagine the open road, the wind in your hair, and the freedom to explore at your own pace. Buckle up, because we're about to hit the road with tips and tricks for an unforgettable journey. From mapping routes to packing snacks, we've got you covered. Grab your buddy, crank up the tunes, and get ready to experience the USA in all its glory. It's time to turn those travel dreams into a reality. Let's hit it. First things first, you got to know where you're going. Planning your route is key to a successful road trip. Dreaming of Route 66 or the Pacific Coast Highway? Maybe the Southwest, East Coast, or the South. Personalize your adventure with quirky attractions and hidden gems. Flexibility is your friend on the open road. Sometimes, the best detours are unplanned. That's what makes a road trip an adventure. Let's talk dollars and adventure. Budgeting is key to a stress-free trip. Estimate big-ticket items, gas, accommodation, and food. Pad your budget for detours and souvenirs. Pro tip: use a budgeting app. Enjoy the journey, not stress about your bank account. Packing for a road trip is like a game of Tetris. You've got to maximize space and make sure you have everything you need without your car resembling a clown car explosion. First and foremost, pack your patience. Just kidding. But seriously, pack a first aid kit, just in case. A well-stocked cooler for snacks and drinks, because hangar is a real thing. And a killer playlist to keep those vibes high. Don't forget those creature comforts. A cozy travel pillow, a portable phone charger for all those epic Instagram pics, and a good old-fashioned map, because sometimes technology fails and you've got to go old school. Oh, and a sense of adventure. That's the most important item on the list. So, you've got your route, your budget, your packing list. Now it's time to choose the perfect time to embark on your epic adventure. Consider the season and the climate of the regions you'll be traveling through. Dreaming of a summer road trip with the windows down and the music up? Be prepared for some serious heat in certain parts of the country and pack accordingly. Want to avoid the crowds and snag those sweet off-season deals? Consider a shoulder season trip in the spring or fall. Just be sure to check the weather conditions and pack layers, as temperatures can be unpredictable. Remember, flexibility is key. All right, adventurers, let's talk about staying safe and healthy on the open road. First and foremost, don't drive drowsy. Take regular breaks to stretch your legs, grab a coffee, or just enjoy the scenery. Speaking of enjoying the scenery, put that phone down while you're driving. Stay hydrated, my friends. Keep a reusable water bottle handy and refill it whenever you can. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the unexpected detours, savor those roadside diners, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this very unofficial travel guide. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Remember, the open road is calling, and adventure awaits. From iconic highways to hidden gems, the USA is brimming with incredible experiences just waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, grab your co-pilot and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels, and see you on the road.